trust anybody. A short moral story. One day, a rabbit was hopping through the forest when he saw a snake trapped in a net. The snake said, "Please help me, kind rabbit. I promise I won't harm you. Please save me." The rabbit hesitated but felt sorry for the snake. He carefully chewed through the net and freed the snake. As soon as the snake was free, it hissed and said, "Now I'm going to eat you. I'm hungry." The rabbit was shocked and said, "I helped you. Why are you harming me?" The snake replied, "You should never have trusted me. That's just how I'm." Luckily, a nearby deer saw the trouble and scared the snake away, saving the rabbit. Moral: be cautious and don't trust everyone, as not everyone has good intentions. Thank you for watching.